Welcome back to our e-commerce website development series. Today is the fourth and final part, where we're going to dive into creating the sorting functionality for our website. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to catch up on the previous 3 videos by clicking the information button right up there. Let's get down to business and make our e-commerce website even better. Sorting is a crucial feature for any online store, so let's roll up our sleeves and make it happen. To construct our sorting structure, we'll start with a select tag featuring 4 essential options: sorting by name in both ascending and descending order, as well as sorting by price in both ascending and descending order. If you're new to my YouTube channel, I employ Bootstrap for my projects. To learn how to integrate the Bootstrap library into your own project, you can find detailed guidance on my channel or by clicking the I button. Alright folks, we've completed the HTML structure and now it's time to dive into some JavaScript coding. In this session, I don't use jQuery in order to practice pure JavaScript. First of all, we are going to implement sorting name with ascending order, which means from A to Z. Now let's shift our focus to descending order, where our products' names will be showcased from Z to A. I almost forgot to mention that in pure JavaScript we'll be adding our functions directly inside the HTML tags using the onClick attribute. Now let's put our sorting panel to the test and see if it's working as expected. Let's dive in and check it out. Everything works as expected. All you need to do is switch the variable names in return statement in order to make from ascending to descending or vice versa. Now we are going to implement the algorithm for price in both ascending and descending order. Now let's talk about price descending function. This function does the opposite, sorting our products in descending order. To achieve this, we've simply flipped the subtraction order in the return statement, so we're subtracting B price from A price instead. Now let's put the price sorting to the test and see if it's working perfectly. As you can see, everything works as expected. With this tutorial, we come to the end of our e-commerce website building series. Please share your feedback in the comments section below. Did you find this tutorial helpful? Your comments mean the world to us.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon!